Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back again to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at this H1 wireless smart Android AI box from Heyincar Plus. Alright guys, let me unbox this product and let's see what's inside the box. Let me just rip the plastic off here. It's very nice packaging, and at the back, you will see the product details and specifications. Now let's take off the sleeves. So this is the Heyincar Plus H1 Wireless Smart Android AI box. At the back of the device, it has vents in the middle to prevent the chip from heating. At the bottom, you will see a TF card slot for external memory support for you to save your favorite videos and play it on your car screen. And on the top is where you connect the USB Type-C port to power up the device. It's lightweight and very handy. It's about 3.15 inches in height, and the width is just about 2 inches. Okay, let me put this right here and let's go ahead and check the other contents of this package. We got 2 USB cables, 1 USB Type-C to USB Type-C, and 1 USB Type-C to USB Type-A. We also got the product manual. This will guide you on how to connect the device into your car. This is just a plug-and-play device and it's very easy to install, not complicated. Alright guys, this smart AI box is running on Android 11 and it uses a Qualcomm QCM2290 processor. It's not a powerful device like we usually see in the market today in terms of memory. But this device is enough to play your favorite music, play videos on YouTube, Netflix, or Disney+. And it's not that expensive at all. You can actually buy this product under $100 US. And if you want to get yours, just click the link in my description to direct you to the official store of Heyincar Plus. And if you want to get 15% off, just use my code JANSENVLOG to make the price even lower. This device has dual Bluetooth technology for faster transmission and allows you to easily connect to your phone and to other external Bluetooth devices. It has built-in Wi-Fi as well, so you can always stay connected to the internet. Alright guys, let's connect this device into my car now. Just plug the USB Type-C into the H1 CarPlay AI box, then connect the other end to your car. This is just a plug-and-play guys. The setup is very easy. Now it's plugged in. Let's just wait for a few seconds right here while the device is being recognized by my infotainment system. And it's now booting up. It's powered by Android 11 system. And there you go. So this is the default home screen of the H1 Smart AI box. Before we operate the system, let me just turn on the Wi-Fi first and connect to my personal hotspot to get connected to the internet. Okay, so the device is now connected. Let's see what we got here. So this device has pre-installed multimedia apps like Disney+, Netflix, YouTube, and IPTV as well. Okay, let's go back to the home screen. If you guys want to access your original car's menu, just tap this button and it will go back to the original interface of your car. Tapping the CarPlay button will return to the Android system interface again. This comes with pre-installed Google Play Store as well, so you can download your favorite applications. But I do suggest not to download tons of applications because this device has limited memory and storage to prevent it from freezing or making the device slow. And as I mentioned earlier, this smart AI box has built-in Netflix application. So you can watch movies or TV series in your car while you are parked. But guys, just a disclaimer, I strongly suggest or recommend not to watch or use the app while you are driving to avoid any unnecessary troubles and accidents. Be a responsible driver and always eyes on the road. Okay, now let's try playing this movie and let's see if the quality is good. So as you can see, it plays nice and smooth. The quality of the sound is good as well. I actually cannot play the movie longer to avoid copyright issues. So it comes with YouTube app as well, so you can watch and search any videos you like. It also comes with pre-installed Disney Plus app. This is great, especially if you have kids with you waiting for someone at the parking lot so that they won't get bored. The video and the sound quality is very good as well. Alright guys, this device can be customized as well. If you want to change the background wallpaper, you can do that by going to the theme settings and select the wallpaper you want as your background. Let's try selecting this one here. Tap Set Wallpaper. Now let's go back to the home screen. And there you go. The background has been changed. And if you guys noticed, every time I tap the screen, there's a floating button that shows up on the screen, which is this one right here. You can disable or enable that button, but I like it enabled for easy access to home or any recently opened apps. Tapping the button will give you access to go back, access or clear all apps, and go to your original Cars menu. So when I tap this, you can access them or close them by swiping the window up. Just like that. Also, another cool feature of this device is that it has a screencast where you can mirror your smartphone to your infotainment system. Just use the pre-installed CarPlay Link app and download it on your smartphone. Once installed, just open the CarPlay Link app on your phone and it will automatically pair to your car screen as long as you have the same Wi-Fi connection. To start showing your Android phone screen to your car screen, just tap the Start Mirroring button and it will show right away. So whatever you do on your Android phone, it will show up to your car screen. You can do the same thing on your iPhone as well. That's a really cool feature. By the way guys, this smart AI box is only compatible for cars with factory wired CarPlay. So before making a purchase, make sure it is compatible with your car. If you have this H1 smart AI box installed into your car, you can now definitely say goodbye to your phone's data cable when connecting to Apple CarPlay. Just open the SpeedPlay app and this will flawlessly convert your factory wired CarPlay into a wireless connection. Just pair your phone via Bluetooth. Tap Allow button to sync your contacts and favorites. Now tap Use CarPlay and wait for a few seconds. This is just a one-time setup guys. You don't need to do this over and over again. And there you go. Your iPhone is now connected to CarPlay wirelessly. So same thing if you have Android smartphone. Instead of using data cable to connect to Android Auto, you can just tap the pre-installed SpeedPlay app and set it up once and it will connect your Android phone to Android Auto wirelessly. Just follow this one-time setup. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and tap the Smart AI box. Then tap the pair button. Tap yes to grant access on your phone book and wait for a few seconds. And there, you are now connected to Android Auto wirelessly. No more tangled and messy wires. So all your compatible apps will be displayed here. So if you guys want to get this device, just click the link in my description and use the coupon code to get your 15% off discount. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video.